This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a cool feature inside of Google Docs that allows you to type using your voice. Now, you may have access to special voice recognition software on your computer like Dragon, or you might just be simply using the voice to text feature that comes with Mac OS, which I have on my computer. But maybe you don't have access to that, or you just want to use something that's native to Google Docs or Google Drive. And you can use a voice to text feature that is already within Google Docs. And so what you do is within your document, you press Tools, and then you select the option that says voice typing. And as you can see here on the Mac, there's a shortcut, Command Shift S, and that will allow you to use the voice typing feature. If you've never allowed your browser to use your microphone, you may get a pop-up asking about that. And all you would need to do is press yes. And then once you press yes, this will appear on your screen and you just have to click and let's test. Hello, period. This document or this video will show you how to use voice typing in order to work quickly in Google Drive, period. This is really cool, period. This seems to be very accurate, period. More accurate than what I would get if I were using Siri, period. So as you can see, you can use this feature to help you get your thoughts out on paper more clearly, or just to save you the frustration of typing if typing is frustrating for you. If you found this video helpful, click that like button, and while you're down there, click that red subscribe button so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps.